guys, it's Lisa Natash. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned to see how I create this 10 feet wedding decor. Now watch the video all the way to the end. Thank you. Thank you for joining me. For all those who haven't subscribed, please, thank you for watching my video first of all, and just remember to subscribe below. So today I'm going to be making oh my gosh, a huge wedding decor. This is what I call my masterpiece. So I got this circle. To be honest, I totally forgot where. I am going to have to search and see if I could figure out where I got it. It was just this random website just pop up that sell wedding decor. This place had it for, it was $250 for the circle, and it was on sale. So anyway, let's get to it. I'm gonna put it together. It came with around 8 pieces, and also had like screws, and I'm gonna put it together. This part is gonna be boring, so of course I'm gonna fast forward it. Okay, so this thing is, as you can see, huge. It's 10 feet. Okay, so let's start working on this bad boy. I'm probably going to be doing this in 2 days because I have work tomorrow and it's actually nighttime. It's April 20th and it's snowing outside in Indiana. Wow. So I have a bunch of these type of foam, floral foam. And what I do was, you can see I cut areas where the metal can just sink into, and just flush towards, flush to the sponge. And then I have zip tie that I'm going to attach the foam with. Okay, so I'm going to attach these. So I just push the area that's cut out. I just push it onto the foam and it just sit like that. So in order for me to attach them, I need 2 zip ties. And I'm not going to cover this part of the circle because in order for me to take this to the venue, I have to, pull it apart. I'm going to need to use floral wire as well because the foam just prevent it from sliding down the circle. I'm going to put zip tie below the foam to kind of use it as, something to block it from moving. Okay, so I need some more foam. So I just start cutting this one. So all I did was use a knife and just cut it all the way down. And I'm going to take this little piece out. It's very soft, so just push it in like so. See that? And it comes up. Okay, so I'm finished adding the foam to the circle. I have 13 foams up there. Some were zip tied. I ran out of zip ties, so I used floral wire to finish it. So I have 3 up there, 4 up there with floral wire. And it's secured pretty nicely. Just wrap it around and tighten it. I apologize. I lost some footage here. What I did was add some greenery. I got those for 97 cents at Walmart. And the flowers I'm going to be using are wisterias, orchids. There's some roses. And if you have any hanging flowers, that will be great for this project. So just hang flowers according to your liking. Okay guys, so I end up taking some of the flowers off because I made a big mistake. I forgot to add some vine flowers that I have, and these are them. And I got these from Michael's, and these I got from Michael's. So I was supposed to add the vine around the foam to camouflage the foam so we don't have to put so many flowers to hide the foam. So just remember, if you're doing this decor, After you add the foam, remember to add your vine. And what I'm going to use to add them is these grip right. They're basically staples. I got these from Home Depot. These are from Home Depot, and this is what they look like. Okay, so I'm going to use these to just hook them on, okay, onto the foam. So I went in and I add the vine all around the upper circles to kind of camouflage the foam. If you notice, there's a lot of greenery up there. That's what that is. And I'm going to go ahead now and add those flowers back in. Remember, I took some out in order to do this, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So I am going to add these in 3 different areas. I'm going to cut them off and just add them. So just add flowers, you know, according to the fullness you're looking for and the style that you're looking for. All right. So isn't it beautiful? This is what I have. Now I'm going to add some colors, and there's just little pink and peaches, okay, just to give it some pow. Okay, so I'm going to use these little leaves that I cut off the flowers that I have here, and I'm going to cover the side, the foam that's on the side, just in case, you know, it's visible, just to make it nice, look nice and uniform. Okay. Okay, so it is beautiful, isn't it? So I'm going to, there's 2 more things I have to do to the top, but I'm going to work on the bottom. I'm just going to add some greenery on the bottom, just wrap it with some wire, and that will be it for the bottom here. I'm not going to put any flowers down there or any foam. Okay, so because I'm going to be pulling the circle apart when I transport it to the venue, right here I'm adding floral wire to some area to hold it, and the part that I'm going to disconnect, I'm just using tape for now, and it's just easy access when we're ready to move it. So the base is done, just vine on it, no flowers. It just looked too much if there's flowers down there. The stand part, it comes out a little bit. I was going to cover that as well. I put some vine on it. I did not like how it looked. So it's going to be just like that. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add some bling to the beautiful circle behind me there. And what I got is a silver chain. It's like, it has jewelry on it, like diamond chain, but it's not, of course, diamonds. But this is what it looks like. It looks like just a little string. I'm going to see if I could show it to you closer. So you see that it has like little diamonds in there. You see that? How it's this glitter? Not glitter. It shines. Sparkle. That's the word, how it's sparkle. So each of these little squares have like a little diamond embedded inside of it. And of course, it's not real diamond. And I got this from Amazon, and it was like, came on a reel, and I didn't know what to do with it. So I had it, and I was like, I have to use this for something. And I came up with a great idea. What I did was, I'm going to use these to hang in the middle so you can get that little sparkle effect. And in order for me to add it, I use the staples, and I use my hot glue gun, and I glue the end of it on to the staple, and I cut them in different lengths so you can have like a staggered, you know, look, so it's not all evened. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add all of these. So excited. Doesn't it look beautiful? I don't know. I think it does. So next I'm going to add our initial, and what I got here is a W, and it came, it's wood, so wood color brown. And I got this off Etsy. And what I did was I primed it first, and then I spray painted it with silver glitter, so it has a glitter to it. Okay, and this is gonna hang. Okay. This is gonna hang. Stop. So this, I forgot what I said. Okay. Plan is to put it like here, okay, and let it look like it's just floating in air. And I have 100% nylon, and I got this off Amazon. It looks like fish line, but it's really thin, much thinner than a fish line. All right, now for the final step, I just add our initial W and L. Now the final step is going to be adding the orbs, and I have 30 of these to add. So the way I'm going to add them is still with that floating look, where I'm going to use that nylon thread. It's very, very transparent. I tie to the staple that I got from Home Depot, like so. And on the end of it, which I'm going to use to attach the orbs, is this little circle. It's a metal circle, and it has it's like a keychain where you can just attach it to the hoop or the loop right there of the orb. So I use the nylon thread. I tie a piece onto the staple, and I'm gonna hang it, and it's gonna be just in like a staggered, so it's not gonna be in line, just different length, so it looks much more beautiful. So again, where I got these little circles is from the acrylic crystals. So they all are attached. The acrylic crystals are attached with these metal circle here. So I have a bunch of them, and I take them off, and I'm just going to use them to hook onto here. Okay. Okay guys, this is it. I am finally done. It is amazing. A nice photo prop for a wedding or any event. Okay, you don't have to have the initial, you can hang something else here, but it's absolutely beautiful. Remember to thumbs up, like guys, share and subscribe. For those who are watching my video and haven't subscribed, remember to click on the subscription button and click on that bell so you get alerts whenever I upload videos. Okay. Okay guys, thank you so much again for watching my video. This is the final look from top to bottom. I am going to go in so you get a closer look on what the orbs looks like and the tea lights. The tea lights I need to replace, but isn't it beautiful? I am so happy you were able to join me. I hope I gave you some ideas. Please remember to continue to watch my video. That is the chain that I was telling you about. It does sparkle. It looks so beautiful. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Click on that bell. Any questions, just comment below. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. That is the side which I kind of hide just in case guests can see that. So thanks again, and I'll see you next time.